Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Link seems to be recovering a little bit, together with the altcoin sector after we've had quite some pullbacks, setbacks in the last few days. And however, can we confirm already a major low in place in this pullback or not? We're going to take a look at that in a minute. Overall, I can tell you that the overall structure here is still unchanged. Okay, the wave count remains untouched. On the micro level, I don't think there's been a change today, but this support area remains relevant between 17.65 and 2017. So pretty much between $17 and 20. So what really needs to happen, we want the bulls to find some stability here, or to create some stability to turn the ship around essentially. And we want to see the white count being followed, which is still unchanged, the primary scenario. In that white scenario, the market should move higher going forward, and we would like to see the price get to $69 plus in the third wave. So that's the idea, $69 plus in the third wave, like this, but actually this is the target for this larger degree third wave. So what would need to happen, we have here wave 1, wave 2, then some subwave structures we're going to take a look at on the smaller time frame. And it is possible that this larger third is here. Okay, this is 4, and we might just get one more high. But on the smaller time frame, we can discuss that. The idea is that here, this third wave, which is also positioned around $69, should get there overall in the next few weeks and months, but only, and that's the condition, only as long as the $17.65 level is holding. And if there is a sustained break below that level, we will have to explore alternatives, which we already have on the chart. One bullish alternative would be the green scenario, which, for example, would allow for a wider A, B, C structure before we then go higher. I don't really like that idea, but it is technically valid. It would be good if the market could uphold its impulsive structure here and we go up higher, because everything else would indicate weakness. And overall, I mean, if all 5 waves fill in, we might talk about $100 plus, but let's first see if the price can turn around here and break above the recent high, which is at $31. That should take us to 38 and 55 next, and then eventually 69. Now let's take a look at the smaller time frame, because this tells us a little bit about resistance and the overall structures. Let me just see. Okay. So yeah, you can see here that we are probably in an internal fourth wave right now, circle wave 4 within that larger third wave we talked about in the daily chart. And you can see that the market has reacted to FIB support, which we talked about. I think it broke micro support, but that key support area is still holding. Could it turn into a head and shoulders? Yep. But a break above initial resistance, above, let's say, $25. If we get a break above it, sustained break would be a good indication that actually a low has already formed in circle wave 4. And then the next move up, as I said, is around $38. At least the next target is positioned around $38. So that's what I'm watching. I mean, another scenario could be that we say, I actually thought about that today, that maybe this fourth is still here and there's an A, B, C. But I think, with all these subwaves that we have, it kind of makes sense to position circle wave 4 there, because it looks a bit more like a 3-wave move down. And resistance is there. I think the good chance that there are now some lows in place. We can see, I don't have any firm confirmation on any of the charts to suggest that we've bottomed, but there are early indications that indicate the next move up could have started possibly. But like ADA, for example, just broke above micro resistance. And let's see if Link can do it as well. So it would be the first step though. And then the bulls' next objective is going to be a break above $31. That's the update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.